Hello, English learners. Today we have a special story for you. It's about Maria's first day at the local market. Listen carefully and follow along. The story uses simple English words that you can use every day. Are you ready? Let's begin.
My name is Maria. Today is my first day at the market. I am very excited, but also nervous. I walk slowly through the big entrance. Wow! There are so many people here. I see colorful fruits and vegetables everywhere. The market is very busy and loud. First, I go to the fruit stand. The seller is a friendly old man with a big smile. "Good morning," he says to me. "Good morning," I answer. I want to buy some apples. "How much are the apples?" I ask. $2 per kilogram, he tells me. The apples look fresh and red. I buy 1 kilogram.
Next, I walk to the vegetable area. A kind woman is selling tomatoes, carrots, and onions. "These tomatoes are very good today," she says. I touch them gently. They feel soft and ripe. "I'll take half a kilogram, please," I say. She puts them in a small bag for me. Then I see a bread shop. The smell is wonderful. Fresh bread is on the table. "This bread is still warm," says the baker. I buy 1 loaf. It feels heavy in my hands. After that, I go to buy some milk and cheese. The dairy seller is very patient with me. I speak slowly and he listens carefully. "I need milk for my family," I tell him. "How much milk?" he asks. 2 liters, please." He gives me a cold bottle from the refrigerator. Finally, I buy some chicken from the meat shop. The seller wraps it in white paper. "Thank you very much," I say. I carry all my shopping in 2 big bags. My arms are tired, but I feel happy. The people at the market are very nice and helpful. They speak slowly when I don't understand. I walk home with my fresh food. Today was a good day. Tomorrow I will come back to the market again. I am not nervous anymore. The market is now my favorite place to shop. When I arrive home, My family is waiting. How was the market? My mother asks. It was wonderful, I tell her. The people were friendly and the food is very fresh. Now I know how to shop at the market. It's easy when you are polite and patient. I learned many new English words today, too.
Vocabulary list. Market. A place where people buy and sell food and other things. Excited. Very happy and interested. Nervous. Worried or afraid. Entrance. The door or way to go into a place. Colorful. Having many bright colors. Fresh. New, not old, for food. Kilogram. A way to measure weight. 1,000 grams. Ripe. Ready to eat for fruit. Loaf. One piece of bread. Dairy. Foods made from milk, cheese, butter, yogurt. Patient. Able to wait calmly. Liter. A way to measure liquid. Refrigerator. A cold box to keep food fresh. Wrap. To cover something with paper or cloth. Polite. Nice and respectful to other people. Comprehension questions and answers. Where does Maria go on her first day?
Maria goes to the market.
How does Maria feel at the beginning of the story?
Maria feels excited but also nervous.
What does Maria buy at the fruit stand?
Maria buys apples at the fruit stand.
How much do the apples cost?
The apples cost $2 per kilogram.
Why does Maria like the market at the end of the story?
Maria likes the market because the people are friendly and helpful and the food is fresh.
Great job listening to Maria's story. Shopping at the market can be fun and easy when you know the right words. Now it's your turn. In the comments below, tell us your favorite word
or sentence from today's story. Maybe you liked "The apples look fresh and red," or perhaps the word colorful is new for you. Don't forget to practice these words with your family and friends. See you in our next English learning video.